Stay on top. Step up, yeah.
Get that arm back. Get that arm back. And there you go. Hook the head. Hook the head. Cross face.
Lock down.
Get the cross face.
Whips.
That's it. Get the cross face. Start to work this direction. Flatten her out. I don't want her up on her side.
Whip back hard.
Get the cross face.
Or dog fight.
Use that cross face.
Go underneath. Hit the calf.
Get that knee to the mat. There you go.
Up, up, up.
Come up. Come up.
Up, up, up. Knee bar.
Bend your knee. Triangle your leg. Triangle your leg.
Straight lock.
Knee bar at novice.
Yeah, leg locks are
No knee bars at novice.
Straight lock.
There it is, drive.
Looking good, Lynn. Invert. There you go. Get that meat hook, meat hook, meat hook, meat hook.
Drive that knee through. Get over it.
Take the full guard. There you go. Yeah, tight. Tight. Hip out, hip out.
Start walking this side, Hannah.
Push that knee hook in.
Towards the ass. Get over it. Push it to the mat. Push it to the mat. Keep coming over it. Keep coming over it.
Wrist control, wrist control.
Keep coming over it. Good. Yep, all the way over it. All the way. Good. Nice. Good shoulder pressure now. Give me good shoulder pressure and start to walk your hips.
Pimp arm.
Yes,
There we go.
way.
Whip. Get her high. Take top, pass.
Put your hook in on the outside.
There you go. Heel that down. Slide through.
Take a space right
Slide through. Jab tie. Fall over the top. Squeeze it. Get that elbow in.
there. On your face, you're all right. Don't let her get it sunk.
There it is. Darce it up. Darce it up.
That's it. Come up. Nice.
Nice work. Good job, Lynn. Different chokes.